In the heart of the enchanted forest, a fearless young girl and her faithful canine companion embark on a grand adventure. Lost amidst the verdant splendor, a fairy named Twinkle frantically seeks her missing magic wand, the key to joy in the forest. Moved by Twinkle's plight, the brave girl recognizes the gravity of the situation and vows to aid the distraught fairy in her quest. Through shadows and sunlight, the duo relentlessly scours every nook and cranny of the enchanted forest, seeking clues to the wand's whereabouts. The denizens of the forest unite in a silent pact, lending their knowledge and skills to aid the resolute pair in their mission. Amidst the silence of the forest, a breakthrough emerges as Max unearths a glimmering object, setting hearts aflutter with renewed hope. From the shadows, a malevolent presence observes the events unfolding, his covetous gaze fixed on the newfound source of power and mischief. With the wand restored, a radiant burst of magic cascades through the forest, stirring life and joy in its wake, granting the fairy her blissful purpose once more. In a moment of clarity and resolve, a young girl's humble wish echoes through the forest, a beacon of light against the darkness of envy and malice. As twilight descends, the enchanted forest blooms with newfound magic and harmony, a testament to the enduring power of altruism and bravery. In the hush of the forest, two souls unite in a timeless embrace, their hearts intertwined in a lasting testament to friendship and faith. Beneath the watchful gaze of the moon and stars, the enchanted forest slumbers in peace, safeguarded by the bravery and kindness of one girl